Hello viewers, in this video we'll be looking into VLookup function. We will cover the area that how it works with exact match. Before we go through, I'd like to share a few must-know factors regarding VLookup. So I'm going to my next slide. So first one is, what is a VLookup? Through this point you will clear that VLookup is an Excel function to look up and retrieve data from a specific column in table. Then second one is VLOOKUP supports approximate and exact matching and wildcards like asterisk and question for partial matches. The V stands for vertical and lookup values must appear in the first column of the table with lookup column to the right. Purpose: look up a value in a table by matching on the first column. So, and this is the syntax how it will work through the formula. First we have to identify the value, then we will show the table, then column index and the range lookup. So now I will go through detail. So this is our Excel file. Here you can see that this is the data given on the table. So if we apply a formula from this table, that will be VLOOKUP, where you already know that V stands for vertical lookup. Okay, so first column is showing the employee ID, then full name, then SSN number, then department, and the start date. Here is a date formula is not okay, we can correct this. Okay, so and this column is showing the earning of each employee, and remarks column is mentioning that few employee are eligible for bank and the cash salary as well. So we also open another file, which is this. Here you can see that few employee listed here, so we have to pull the data of their earnings and remarks accordingly. So if we do this one by one and searching, then it will be very time consuming. So we will use the VLOOKUP function to automate our work and save our time. So let's see how it works. Enter, then type VLOOKUP. Okay, then select the lookup value. Our lookup value is employee ID. Against employee ID we will pull the data of employee earning. Okay, then comma, then go to second file. Okay, so now second one is table array. So we have to select the table array. Our table array starts from here. Now int here f column and 52 number row, 51 number row. So that means, and column is 6. So table array is done. Now comma and column number 6, then 0. Why we put 0 here? 0 means exact match. We want our result with exact match. Now bracket close and enter. So this is the magic of VLOOKUP. We can apply to all employees ID. So within just few minutes, now you are able to see the earning of this person. So uh, we also need to segregate the persons who are eligible for bank and cash salary. So in this time we will apply the same formula. Lookup value is employee ID, then comma, then go to our second file, select the range remarks, that is column G, 7 number column, ending here. Now put comma, type 7 and 0, that is means exact match, and enter. Then apply to all employee. So that is quite easy. So we got 13 employee who are eligible for bank salary and their earning is accordingly. And we also got 5 persons, those are eligible for cash salary. So in this way VLookup function work. So I hope you understand how we can work with vertical table, that is called VLookup with exact match. Thanks for watching the video.